Today we talk about how you can shift how you view yourself and not how the world sees you. Welcome to Monana Wellness podcast. As a spiritual being and a seeker, I like to learn and have deeper conversations on spirituality. You can take this as meditation practice and devote time to start or continue your journey as a spiritual being you are born to be. Allow yourself to come to stillness as you begin to notice your breath as it flows in and out of your body through the nostrils, bringing the awareness to this present time. Now, it is hard to try and fit in with social universe. Feeling like we are not accepted by some leaves us with social anxiety as an innate response to the threat of exclusion. Somehow we have developed the intuition of how people see us, making us connect with them on a deeper level. But the bottom line is how we see ourselves. We will only go as far as we see ourselves going. You are only as good as you believe yourself to be. It's when we learn this that we unlock the possibilities of life. Your life will be richer when you've settled on who you are and what you want to be. Self-imagery is how you see yourself. So when you are convinced on what you see, the rest of your life will align that way, negatively or positively. The content of our life doesn't change our life for the better. It is the context of our life which changes our life. To live here without belonging to anything, but still involved with everything, takes a lot of involvement, devotion, and focus. What is the perspective you hold of your life? Do you see yourself as interesting, capable, adventurous? Or do you see yourself as struggling and unsuccessful? Which context would serve you best? The chase to always have the best of everything causes many people to forget about the most important thing, enjoying what they have in the now. Many throughout our lives, we identify ourselves as our job rather than how we contribute to the lives of those around us. The core to changing the context of your life lies in changing how you identify yourself. How you identify yourself shows you how much you love yourself and how much you respect yourself. You have to live with conviction to be able to determine how you see yourself and have constant renewal of who you are, because life changes, so we change with it without forgetting or losing sight of whom we are. We have come to the end of our podcast. Thank you for listening. I am truly grateful and honored to have this opportunity to have conversations with you. May you be well. May you be safe. And may you cultivate peace and worry less. Namaste.